Hi viewers, can you find out what's the good word? I'm going to give you some clues and you should be ready to find out the word with the clue. I will give you the starting letter of the word. So with the starting letter of the word and also by the clue, you need to find out the good word. Shall we start? A hole made in ground by certain animals to use as nest. A hole made in the ground by certain animals to use as nest. It starts with the letter B. What's that? It's a burrow. Okay. The containers made of cardboard or plastic in which goods are sold are called as. The containers are made of cardboard or even plastic in which the goods are sold are called. It starts with the letter C. What's that? Cartons. Find out a delicate thing which is easily broken. A delicate thing which is easily broken. How do you call it as? It starts with the letter F. It's a 7-letter word. It starts with the letter F. A delicate thing which is easily broken. The answer is fragile. Okay. A play in which most of the words are sung to music. What do you call it as? A play in which most of the words are sung to music. How do you call it as? It starts with the letter O. It's a 5-letter word. It's opera. Wasn't that easy? What is a formal party arranged to welcome a group of people? It's such an easy one. What is a formal party to welcome a group of people? We all gather, we go for a function. What is that called as? A formal party to welcome a group of people. That starts with the letter R. The answer is reception. What are the sacred religious writings called as? It is collectively called. It does not pertain to any kind of religion. It is a common word. What are the sacred religious writings called as? It starts with the letter S. Yes, you got it right. They are scriptures. The sacred religious writings are commonly called as scriptures. Everybody likes to contribute for a cause. Definitely. Everybody likes to contribute for a social cause. So, contribution for a cause or a purpose is called as dash. That starts with the letter D. Yes, your guess is right. Donation. Contribution for a cause is called as donation. What is the act of kidnapping called? You have a particular word to call it as. The act of kidnapping is called abduction. What is a silly act or a statement? It starts with the letter A. What is a silly act or a statement? Starting with the letter A. It is absurdity. Yes, you're right. It is absurdity. What can be the act of kindness called as? You're being a very kind person. And what is the act of kindness called as? It starts with the letter B. Yes, right. It is benevolence. Benevolence is a noble act of kindness. Definitely that all must possess. What do you call a description of books? A description of books is given a particular term that starts with B and it's a long word. Guessed it? It's bibliography. People surround us to stop the movement. To stop a movement, people are being surrounded. And this process is called as, it starts with the letter B. The answer is blockade. Right. The source from which rainwater flows into is called as, every little rainwater is collected and the water flows into a big dash which is very essential for our drinking water. The source from which rainwater flows into is called as, it starts with the letter C. Yes, it is catchment. You need to make the boundary or limits. Definitely everything has a boundary or everything has a limit. So what do you call it as? Make the boundary of limits. It is called as, it starts with letter D. Demarcate. That's the answer. Make a clear explanation of what you feel. Make a clear explanation of what you feel. It starts with the letter E and it has a date in it. It starts with the letter E. I'm giving you a clue. And it has a date in it. Yes, you guessed it right. Elucidate. The preservation of dead body from decay. That is actually a procedure to preserve the dead body from decay. It starts with E and it has a balm in it. Yes, it starts with E and has a balm in it. Yes, it is embalm. Every note at the end of a page is called as what? Every page that you read has definitely got a note at the end of a page. What is it called as? It starts with the letter F and it has a note in it. Guessed it? It's footnote. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.